IKEA's viral donut lamp gets a smart upgrade. What you need to know: the internet-famous Warmblixt lamp, affectionately known as the donut lamp, has a new iteration, a smart version unveiled at CES 2026. IKEA's original design went viral in 2023 for its simple, striking orange glass form. And now the company is capitalizing on that popularity by adding smart home compatibility. Here's a breakdown of what's changed, how it works, and whether the upgrade is worth it. The original Warmblixt. A design phenomenon, the original Warmblixt, designed by Sabine Marcelies, quickly became an IKEA must-have. Its appeal lies in its versatility. It functions as both a table and wall lamp, and its warm orange glow creates a cozy ambient light. The initial demand was so high that stores frequently sold out, demonstrating the power of viral design trends. What's different in the smart version? The new Smart Warmblixt maintains the iconic donut shape, but departs from the original in key ways. The orange glass has been replaced with matte white, and color is now achieved via a color-changing bulb inside. The lamp also trades the original's simple on-off switch for a remote control to adjust brightness and hue. Most importantly, it's matter-compatible, meaning it integrates seamlessly with existing smart home ecosystems. This shift towards smart functionality reflects a broader trend in consumer tech. Even simple products are being integrated with smart features to enhance convenience and connectivity. For some, this is a welcome addition. For others, it might dilute the original's minimalist charm. How does the Smart Warmblixt work? The lamp operates with an included remote that controls color and brightness. IKEA's instructions are notably minimal, requiring some trial and error to master. The remote features two buttons, a large and a small dot. Double-clicking either button cycles through pre-programmed colors, while holding them adjusts brightness. The matter compatibility allows control via a smart home hub, but it's not required. The base is swappable with other Warmblixt shades, so users can adapt existing lamps for smart functionality. Aesthetic changes. Warm versus cool, the new model's matte white finish is noticeably cooler than the original's warm orange. The color palette is also limited to pastel shades, a departure from the richer tones of the original. This suggests IKEA is aiming for a broader aesthetic appeal, moving away from the specific warmth that made the original so popular. Is the upgrade worth it? For those already invested in smart home ecosystems, the matter-compatible Warmblixt is a logical upgrade. The convenience of remote control and integration with other devices adds value. However, those who loved the original's aesthetic may find the new version less appealing. The warm glow of the orange glass has been sacrificed for smart functionality. Ultimately, whether this upgrade is worth it depends on your priorities. If you want smart home integration, yes. If you prefer the original's simple warmth, stick with what you have. IKEA is betting that enough consumers will prioritize convenience over nostalgia to make this new version another viral success.